Hello and welcome. This is Safo. In this session, we are going to learn about conditional statements in MATLAB. Conditions allow the program to make a decision and follow different paths depending on the situation. Okay, if you can see here the condition checks where x is greater than 0, and if so it displays the message. Okay, run. Okay, you can see the answer. If else, in this case we handle both situations, 0 and positive and negative. Okay, run. You can see here. And next one, if, else, if, else. With else if, we can check multiple conditions in sequence. Okay, run. X is 0. Okay. The switch statement is useful when we want to compare one variable with multiple possible values. Okay, grade B, switch. Grade, case A, display excellent, case B, display good. We are in here, case C, display fair and otherwise. Okay, run this code and you can see good here and here. In this video, we learn about conditional statements in MATLAB: if, else if, else, and switch. Thanks for watching and see you in the next session.